Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? As you guys can see, I'll be working with WestKiss hair. They sent me their Glueless Wear and Go body wave unit in 26 inches. It is a 5x5 lace closure unit and it is 250 density. So as you guys can see, this unit is really nice and full. And you guys, can you believe I didn't have to do much curls? All I had to do was my two front pieces. Everything else was already curled, even the front pieces. But of course, you know, you want that definition. I didn't cut any layers into this hair. Like, it's just laying gorgeously, and this is super beginner friendly. So if you want to get your hands on a body wave unit, you don't know how to do curls, the curls come in the hair, girl. And if you don't feel like wearing it curled, of course you can straighten it. This gorgeous unit is super nice and soft and super full and super beginner friendly. It came pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached. I can go ahead and pull my wig up. I can go ahead and put my wig back down, you know, put the lace back in place. I can also go like so to show you guys that it is 100% glueless and I don't have to use any adhesive. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in, but you literally do not need any adhesive. So it is super beginner friendly. So if you're not used to glue or you're allergic to glue, girl, it came with a nice adjustable strap that you could just tighten, and it just activates that whole glueless aspect. So thank you so much for watching, and the links for this gorgeous unit will be in the description box below. So let's jump into today's tutorial.
I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water, eating like I'm underworld. Had my tattoos in Shibuya, police think I'm of the underworld. Do I treat a nigga like he 12? How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? All level, I am the I am. Now film it with the drone cam in the pink like Killer Cam. Zone when I stick, no way. Up so close, I'm on a kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's good. Dick from eyes back in the skull. Rolling, rolling when you ride. I won, street acting, turned up like some dirty back. 2016 brought some this. 2017 ideas playing off the Walkman. This a code, not a click on the net. With a cup in a cup, activate. That's a double edge, just a knife. And I don't like to fight, I'm fighting. Revenge in the air makes my lungs sick. Chopper in the sky like a gun trick. Clips on clips like Mike. It's really you. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Sleet snow grind for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. You need a cosign for your help. I need that bitch to grind on my belt. I know you need to drive for my belt. I know you seen it drive in itself. No matter on the ride, cause it's stale. But it's stale. I see both sides like Chanel. I see both sides like Chanel. pockets snug. They can't hold my 7, they pay my Visa, my Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. I got blue bags and they all collapsed. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards. See my baby boy, amazing the cash on, no. I mean my baby boy, blazing the dash, got money at home. Pockets snug, they can't hold my 7, they pay my Visa, my Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. I got blue bags and they all collapsed. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards. See my baby boy, amazing the cash on, no. I mean my baby boy, blazing the dash, got money at home.
Lost without you all around me. Get anxious. Need me. Take it so you. Need a dog right now. Feel lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sense and all about me. All I got right now. But it tastes of resentment. Simmer in my skin. It's all about. The stain on my shirt. New bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got curved. Going back on my word. It makes you thirsty. Still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate. Damn. Body, sunshine. I found a way to fuck it up still. Can't cry about the shit that I can change it. My mind gotta get out of here. The crowd, haters can't stay. Need a dog right now. Feel lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sense, not about me. All I got right now. Feel a taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about. The stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got curved. Going back on my word. Damn, bitch, you thirsty. Still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection. Let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate. Damn. Is it what you say and how you do me? I'm supposed to try, we both to love, and supposed to hurt this way. All I need is a piece of you. All I got to say, all of you. Need a dog right now. Feel lost, but I like it. Comfort in my sense, and all about me. All I got right now. Feel a taste of resentment. Simmer in my skin, it's all about. The stain on my shirt, new bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got curved. Going back on
Hi you guys, so I'm back and this is the gorgeous unit from WestKiss hair. They went ahead and sent me their glueless ready to wear and go body wave wig in 250 density and 26 inches. This gorgeous unit is a 5x5 HD lace closure. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted. All I had to do was slap this bad boy on my head, you know, zhuzh up the curls in the front that I'd want to be a little more defined, and brush the other curls out. It was super easy to install. As you guys can see, this lace is melted, honey, and I am living for the long part. This 5x5 is absolutely everything. The hair is actually really nice and soft, and even though I didn't curl it, I just put some curls in the front. The curls are holding up well, that they have pre-done from before I even got this wig, so that is also a good thing. The hair is just really soft. It feels like butter, and I know that when I go in and I do these curls by myself, it's gonna look even more better, because you guys know, like, putting some fresh curls in your hair is absolutely everything. But as for right now, I'm loving the body and the volume. This wig does come with an adjustable strap in the back to make this unit 100% glueless. So if I want to pull it up, I can do that, and if I want to go ahead and run this comb through, I can do that. I did use a little adhesive spray to add to the extra melted, you know, like giving no lace type vibe, but you definitely can wear this wig 100% glueless. So let me go ahead and show you. I literally can do that, and this wig is now, you know, able to come off go on, move around, and all that good stuff, and it just looks so gorgeous. So if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from WestKiss Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.